Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really special recipe I want to share with you all, and today we're going to be making my version of chimichurri grilled chicken. We're going to be making a Trini chimichurri sauce. This is not like the regular one you get when you go at the restaurant. We're kicking up this recipe 10 times. So to start this recipe, you're going to start with the most important ingredient, which is your flat leaf Italian parsley. Next, we have some bandania leaves. You don't want to add too much. Next goes in garlic. You're going to be using pimento peppers, colored bell peppers. You're hearing me right. I'm switching up this recipe. A third of a cup of celery, lemongrass, and yes, I said lemongrass, red wine vinegar, olive oil, and salt. You're going to take all of these ingredients and add it to your food processor. We're going to be processing this until it's nice and fine. If you are processing it and you think it's too thick, you can add some more of that red wine vinegar along with some olive oil. And once it's finished, this is what it would look like. See that consistency? So a little chunky. So now let's prepare our chicken. So to my chicken, I have 10 pounds of chicken. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of salt. If you guys use more salt in your diet, you can add more. We're going to go in with black pepper. Next, I'm going to go in with lemon pepper. I'm going to go in with 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper. In goes some pimento pepper sauce. If you didn't have this, of course you can omit it. And we're going to add about a half cup of that chimichurri sauce. Now all you have to do is give this a good mix, and once it's mixed in properly, you're going to place it in a tray and cover it and allow it to marinate overnight or for a couple of hours. After it's finished marinating, you'll take it out and allow it to come to room temperature before grilling. So I have my Big Green Egg, which is sponsored from the kind guys at Big Green Egg. We're going to bring that up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to burp it so that that flame doesn't flare up on us. And we're going to start placing our pieces of chicken. Now I use chicken for this recipe. If you guys wanted to use pork or maybe turkey, another protein, feel free to. And we're going to start with the skin side up, and we're going to allow this to cook covered at that 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. So cover it, and once it comes up to that temperature, then start checking the time, because you're going to lose some of that heat when you open it. Now let's go in and check on our chicken. Remember, as I said, burp it 3 times so it doesn't flare up on you. And as I flip the pieces of chicken over, you'll see that beautiful smoky color that it's already taking on. Now this chicken, we're not adding any more sauce to it or any other sauces, and this is just going to be grilled as is. We're going to cover it again and allow it to go for another 40 minutes. So 80 minutes in total. You want to make sure that it's getting color on both sides. And we're going to allow it to continue to cook. Now once it's finished and the time has reached that 80 minutes, what you're going to do is leave it open and start charring the outside of the chicken. You want to get that skin a nice charred color, nice crisp brown, golden brown. And once it's finished and it has an internal temperature of 170, you're going to remove it and set it aside. And that's it, your chicken is now ready to be served. This goes great with rice, with mashed potatoes, with grilled vegetables, even on a sandwich. And how we like to serve it, we like to serve it with that same chimichurri sauce that we made. We use it to dip it with, and it's really amazing. You guys have to try this sauce. It's out of this world. As I said, it's my version and it's nothing like the regular chimichurri sauce. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Try it, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for watching. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.